this video we're going to be looking at how to play Are You Gonna Be My Girl by Jet, standard tuning and no capo. The main riff starts with a slide in from 5 to 7 on the D. I'm going to grab 5th fret on the G straight after. We're then going to play 7 and 7 on the G and B strings. I'm going to bend them up a half step and stop the bend there. Then we're going to repeat that again, but then bring the bend back down and pull off the 5th fret on the G. So far slowly. Finish off 7, 7, 5 on the D. During the verse, we'll hit the 7 again on the D. For the verse, we have one chord. It's an A power chord at the 5th fret of the low E string. For the first bar, we have the strumming pattern down, 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 mute, up. And in the second bar, we have mute, up, mute, up, down, up, down. Together. For the chorus, the strumming is exactly the same. We start off with an A chord. Let's swap to a C power chord, D power chord, back to the A power chord. There are 2 linking sections in the song. The first one starts off with a D power chord. We'll hit this 3 times. Down, down, down. A muted up strum, followed by a C power chord at the 8th fret of the low E string. A muted up strum, followed by a G power chord at the 10th fret of the A string. So that would sound like this. The second Lincoln riff starts off with an E power chord at the 7th fret of the A string. We've got to strum down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Then we've got 2 hits of a G power chord at the 10th fret of the A string. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.